Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing for you the Sage Sunny H7 LED bulbs. These are the specific ones for the Golf 6, Mark 6 and the Golf Mark 7. Is if you have this specific holder, so this is what you'll need. This is a fun one, so that's the main reason I got it. This is a sponsored video, by the way, guys. They sent me this product, so thank you Sage Sunny for sending me this, because I was very frustrated as these are very expensive, but they sell these for about £70, so it is quite expensive, but it's better than having these ones. I'll show you. So these are the ones I'm currently using. They're fanless, which means they're not very bright, which is the issue. So the only thing I can use in my car at the moment is ones with prongs like this, and most of them are fog bulbs. This one isn't, but it is very weak because it hasn't got a fan, and one set has already burnt out from the heat, so it's not very good, is it, guys? But I got a free replacement, so thank you Lucky for sending me them. Okay, so these are the new headlights. Let me show you that. H7. Okay, so 300% more lumens, less energy it uses, and 10 times more life. Apparently this has a good Canbus built in, so you shouldn't get any errors, but I'll find out about that in the installation video. Product is more suitable. Okay, so this one's plug and play, by the way, guys. Alright, let's open this. It's a really nice premium packaging. You got some chrome there and stuff. Okay, LED product, headlight product thing. Don't know why there's a third slot. Maybe there used to be a Canbus thing there. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is how you do it, but you don't really need that. Main reason is it goes in the same way as your normal bulbs, the halogen ones, because these are the specific ones made for my car. Like if you go check out my other video, there'll be one called halogen versus not halogen, fanless LED versus fan, or something like that, something similar like that, on the Mark 6 Golf. So this is the fan one. You're going to see the big difference. So this is definitely worth it if it does work properly. So this fan can spin up to 8,000 rpm, which can keep this cool, and it's got no radio frequency interruption or anything. So my normal one, there's a case behind it, and that's where the pins are. On the case is pins on the corner. So the normal fan ones don't work. If you watch my other video, you'll see what I mean. I've tried many different ones, it just doesn't work. So you have to get these specific ones with these pins on. These are very rare to find. At £70 it's not too bad, because some I've seen go over £100, so it's not too bad. Okay, so as you can see, there's one LED chip on this side, it's a cob one, and one on this side. So you get the full 360 there. You get the H7 connector type there. You got a rubber sealing there. I guess so. This is the specific design, so it locks in place like that. It's pretty cool, isn't it, guys? And yeah, I'm going to test these out at night, show you what they look like. There's no wire because they're the pins, that's how it works. So if you got the Mark 6 or Mark 7, which has proper, it has a casing on the back, you'll know what I mean. There's a casing on the back, there's no actual wires. It's a simple design, it's a great design for halogens, but if you're planning to upgrade, most of them use wires, so this is what you're going to need. Okay, let me show you the other one. This the other one now. Pretty nice, isn't it, guys? Quality is very nice. There's the LED. My flash is just going too bright. So I'm going to test these out for you guys, but the quality looks pretty good. It looks very good build quality. I'll just show you the originals. So this, if you have that type style one, so you will need that. So that's what I'm just saying. Alright, guys. So apparently these are 36 watts each. 36 volts each. Watts, yeah, watts I mean. So I can't remember what the other one was. Let me have a look at this one. These are 30 watts each. So these are slightly more powerful, but I think they'll be more powerful in general anyway, and they'll be able to hold that power, that lighting level, because they got fan as well. Whereas these ones, as soon as they start heating up, they will lose a bit of brightness. Right, guys. 6K white color temperature, so it'll be pure white, which I want. My normal ones are 6K right now, so that's exactly what I want. And we'll check out the cutout, the pattern of it, what that's like, and yeah, that'll be my next video, which will be the fan versus fanless, so keep an eye out for that. you're gonna see this product going and how good it is. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.